Are you an art lover, game character art developer, or creator who creates as well as use works of art? Do you know that just by passing the right text prompts into an amazing tool I'll be showing you today, you can create arts and photos as beautiful as these? Welcome to Appsolute. Today, we'll be showing you how to use a certain AI tool to generate amazing images. All you need to do is imagine, put your imaginations into text, and you will have the art you seek. Before we proceed, endeavor to subscribe to our channel where we bring you exciting tutorials and other informative contents on the latest AI tools and softwares. Introducing Leonardo Ai, an amazing AI text-to-image generator that produces stunning images from just a prompt. To begin, launch the app. You need to have an account to use this service. The sign-up process is very simple. Be sure to have access to the mail you'll be providing, as you'll need to verify your account. The first page to load after signing in is the home page. The interface looks beautiful and interactive. You have access to a lot of featured models from which you can create new designs. They include Leonardo Diffusion, a model great at both photos and artistic styles; Dream Shaper version 6, a versatile model that excels at both people and environments; Deliberate 1.1, great for photorealism and artistic creations. Beneath each of these models you will find amazing artworks that were created using the selected model. You have a lot of model options to build on. In the community feed page, you'll find a lot of trending art created by other users. Let's explore one of such art. For each artwork you'll see displayed in Leonardo Ai, you can access the prompt the user used in creating it. The prompt contains everything you need in your image. While knowing what you want in an image is necessary, it is also necessary to tell the AI what you don't want. That is what the negative prompt does. You can copy the prompt from a given image and use it in creating your own image, pass in an image as a prompt for another image, or remix the photo. Let's explore this image's prompt and use it in generating a new image. Head to AI Image Generation. Paste the prompt you copied into the prompt window. Endeavor to turn on negative prompt. Generate. You can choose the number of images you want the software to generate for you. Look what we created in split seconds from reusing someone's prompt. Go back to the home page, select an image and use it as a base to create another image. This copies the prompt as well as the image into your personal workspace. Generate. Looks good, right? Let's increase the number of images we want it to create. Generate. Unlike when we copied a prompt and used it in generating an image, image-to-image enables us create variations of any given image we pass in as a base. Next, let's remix an image. Go back to the home page, select one of the photos there, and tap Remix. Delete the previous image passed in as a base. Generate. Behold, we have two new lookalike variations of the image we used. Now you might be wondering about the pricing plan of this amazing tool. It has a free plan, Apprentice, Artisan, and Maestro plans. Different plans come with different privileges. The free plan gives you 150 generations, which renews every day. I'm so confident that you can do a lot with the 150 free generations. And even if you use it up, you can always continue the day after. If you plan to use Leonardo Ai for more demanding tasks, consider upgrading to one of the other paid versions. Now, let's try generating an image using our own prompt. I want a photo of a realistic detailed waist-up black African woman in exotic blue dress, wet highlight hairstyle, and gorgeous woman on makeup with a perfect smile. Change image dimensions to your taste. Turn on negative prompt. Generate. This looks good. But then I need a more natural look. I'll pass in a base image as a prompt for the AI to emulate. I'll then remove the blue from my prompt. Generate. Wow! Let's download this one and see what it looks like. She's got great looks. Now, let us play with this image a little and see what we get. Tap Edit in Canvas. I want to make this image wider. Say I want to use it as a base for my YouTube thumbnail. Align the image with the canvas. Type background in the text box and hit generate. Pick the one that you prefer. I would have chosen the second generation, but it has a write-up I don't like. Let's pick the third generation. Go on to click accept and download the artwork. Amazing, right? You can elongate your image further. There's no limit to your imaginations with Leonardo Ai. Just convert your thought to words. You'll be surprised at the eye-catchy works of art that Leonardo Ai can help you develop. I'm imagining how long it would take a great artist to arrive at this art. Hours? Days? Weeks? Yet I was able to create it in less than 10 minutes using this tool. I'm very certain you want to try out this tool. You'll find a link to Leonardo Ai's page in the description of this video. If you came this far, then I bet you find this video interesting as well as informative. Kindly subscribe to our channel so that you can be notified once we post amazing tutorials and other informative and educative contents like this. Also, like and share this video so that it gets to all who need to see it. Until next time. Bye!